Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Watch video and enjoy. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe. Now start video. First of all, open the image. Then get quick selection tool and select the places you wanted. Press Ctrl J to delete the background layer. Then select the crop tool. Make the picture as you want it. Now we need make a gradient background. Click our adjustment layer and select the gradient. I choose this one, Style Radial. Reverse. Now select Layer 1. Press Ctrl J, hide Layer 1 copy. Select Layer 1, go to Filter, Liquify and select this brush. Now press Alt with Apply Layer Mask. Now select Layer 1 copy and apply Layer Mask. Then get the brush. You can download this brush at Google. Select Color Black. Now start painting like this. Now select Layer 1 Mask Layer. Select Color White. Now start painting like this. Now select Adjustment Layer, Gradient Map. I go on choose this one. Soft light. Thanks for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe.